Hello, our sweet adventures here. Making a dessert here today. Meyer lemon pound cake, and this is the best brand I found for this, and also their lemon bars. So here we go. We've already got the oven heated up, and now I just have three-fourths cup of water, which I don't have.
Oh.
So let's go back over here. Well, I only put a fourth cup. Silly me.
Yeah.
No big deal. All right, here we go. So, three-fourths cup of water. I've already got the butter melted.
What was that now?
This was 10 tablespoons of melted butter.
Okay.
And then we're going to put in the cake mix. And this is going to be yummy. And then just need to stir, which I like to use this to stir. Get it all stirred together until it's well blended. Sometimes takes a while, you know. Sometimes I like to use a whisk, and sometimes it's good. I think that's better if it's not a thick batter, which this isn't. I could maybe possibly get a whisk over there if I might.
So we'll grab the whisk and get back.
Yes. Now I got that blended well. And now 1 egg. And we'll whisk that in. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to spoon it into this 8x4 loaf pan. I generally just pour it, but it says to spoons. I'm going to kind of do a little of both, maybe. I don't understand why you would really need to.
Yeah, why would you?
I'm just going to pour it in there.
There you go.
Just for time's sake. And I was always taught to get everything in there. Every last drop. Okay. So, now we just have to bake it for 38 to 42 minutes, or until you put the toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean.
Okay,
and you cool it for about 5 minutes. Loosen the loaf a little bit and remove from the pan. Let it cool completely, and then we'll put the glaze on it.
all right.
We'll be back to you. Okay, here we're back. The lemon pound cake has I'm having troubles today. Has cooled down enough so that we can put the
How cool is it?
as cool can be. That's how cool it is. So anyway, I've already put a tablespoon of water in the bowl, and now I'm gonna put this. You know, I know this isn't homemade, but you know, it's still good. So we're gonna mix that up and see. Now I might need to, depending on the consistency that you want it, your glaze to be, but I don't like it real runny. I like it a little bit thicker so that it adheres better, but I might have to put half a tablespoon in there maybe. Let's try that. Just a little bit at a time. Okay. I don't know if that's even enough.
That's not enough.
No? Yeah. Maybe a little bit more, because it's not quite enough. Let's do that. All right. There we go. That's much better. All right. So, oh yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the pound cake over. Let's just drizzle that on. Yeah, could have been maybe a little bit more. That's okay. I'm gonna wonder about the taste is what that is. What's important? So, once again, leave in the comments if you've ever tried this brand. They have muffins and lemon bars, all kinds of stuff. So I know that the grandkids really love the lemon bars. I kind of doctor those up a little bit. I just add extra lemon juice in it, because we kind of all like that. So here's this. We've got it done. And we might have to have a little taste test. Okay, let me get a knife. And now this might be a little messy. Well, it seems to be good that way. Okay. Easier said than done, huh?
Quite simply comes right out of there.
Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bite. It's still a little warm.
Oh.
Boy, that tastes good. You want a bite?
Yes.
I'm just going to do that for you.
Okay.
Yummy. Well, so
Yep.
I would say scale of 1 to 5.
That could be a 4.
It's a 5 for me because I love lemon and I love sweets.
Okay.
So let us know if you've ever tried, like I said before, and see you next time.